the official opening and ribbon cutting ceremony of our office. Of course, we would like to welcome you with this exciting and meaningful milestone of the grand opening of this Ascentra International Office in Global Lake building. I will be your host for today's celebration. It's a great honor to have you with us as we open not just a new space, but new opportunities and beginnings. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of everyone here today. Of course, our founders, specifically our brand ambassador, our ascenders, of course, and our medias. And of course, we would like to personally welcome our founders, our CFO, Ms. Francesca Fuccia. Yes, and of course, our COO, Mr. Miko Inson, our CSO, Joseph Lim, and of course, our CEO, Georgette Gonzalez. And of course, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of Daily Tribune, Manila Standard, People's Journal, Net25, Manila Times, Village People, Business Mirror, our bloggers from Lions Heart TV, Random, Republica, The Chicanes, Kapamilya Online Bird, Sterling Entertainment, The Lifestar Portal, Star Powerhouse, Cinema Bravo, and Kumantal Videothon. So thank you so much for being here with us for Ascentra International. So of course, without further ado, we would like to hear some small talks from our founders, starting with our CFO herself, Ms. Francesca Fuccia. Yes! Let's give a round of applause.
Hello everyone! Hello! I would just like to welcome all of you, each and every one of you. Thank you for giving us your time and your effort going here. Alam ko, umuulan. And we opened on a Monday, so I'm so sure sobrang busy kayo. But, welcome to Ascentra! Ito po ang ating bagong bahay. And please treat our new home with love and respect. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Of course, we would also like to hear from our COO, Mr. Miko.
Yes. All right. Welcome everyone. Are you all excited? Yes. We are all very, very excited. And of course, we want to thank each and everyone for spending this wonderful time. This is actually a milestone para sa ating lahat. This wonderful office is not just an office, but a place of inspiration, place of hope, place kung saan marami tayong i-build ng mga pangarap at tutuparin mga pangarap ng mga naniwala sa atin. So for all the founding partners and all the guests, eto na po ang simula ng ating partnership. Tapos progress natin lahat. So again, this office is going to be the start of a new beginning for every one of us. Let's make this a wonderful place of hope and love. And of course, ang goal natin lahat dito, pag pumasok po tayo lahat, ramdam na ramdam po tayo. Again, thank you very much and welcome. Ascentra International, ang partner sa Pag-Ascenso.
Thank you so much, so we request the technical team to avoid playing of music muna for our media call para marinig po natin ang lahat ng messages. Thank you. And of course, we would like also to hear from our CSO, Joseph Lim.
Thank you po sa lahat, lalo na po sa mga galing Mindanao, galing Luzon, galing Norte, and galing pong Bicol. Pwede palakpan natin yung lahat ng biyahe. Commonly po, naririnig natin sa multi-level, kailangan mahirapan, kailangan magsakripisyo para makuha mo ang pangarap mo. Dito po sa Ascentra, papadaliin po natin ang pagkuha mo ng pangarap. Kasi sa Ascentra, partner nyo po ito sa pag-ascenso nyo. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, CSO Joseph Lim, and of course, our CEO himself, Georgette Gonzalez.
Thank you, Turbo!
Again, formally welcoming each and everyone. This is our new home, our new hub. We're very excited to offer our value to each and every one of you. Pero as early as now, gusto ko pa magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa Ascentra since the beginning. We are on a pioneering stage. Wala pa tayong napatutunayan. pero nandito kayo para pagkatiwalaan kami. Kaya ang masasabi namin, hindi namin sisirain ang tiwalang binigay niyo sa amin lahat. Kaya sama-sama tayo, tama sinabi ni CSO, ni CEO, and of course our CFO, kami, kapartner niyo sa pag-asenso, padadaliin namin ang pagyaman niyo sa Ascendra. Thank you.
So much. Let's give a round of applause for our founder of Ascendra International. Pagpapala naman natin sila, of course. And now, of course, for our video for interviews po, of course. For Q&A from our media funds po. So, media partners po natin ito. So, we have, let's start the po. So, see you later. Alright. So, may request everyone to, ano po? Alright?
Excuse me, I'm Auli National Interview. Question number 1 po. Why the color orange? So the color orange to Ascendra.
And why the color orange?
Well, for one, orange symbolizes joyful, hope, and of course yung aming tagline na kapartner sa negosyo. That's why we chose color orange.
And who calling the name Ascendra? Because obviously to ascend, to go up. Who created the name?
Well, for one, ang Ascendra is actually, came from words ascend to a new era. So it's like we're trying to rise up, climb up to a new era, and we're trying to revolutionize the industry in a way that our value proposition is unique among all other companies out there. That's why we coined the term, the word Ascendra. Ascend to a new era.
What is the new era all about?
New era is about, going up to a new era of doing network marketing, professionalizing the industry, offering value that others could not offer, and of course the opportunity for each and every one to really have a value, because a lot of people are not actually inclusive to the industry. We like to rise to a new era where everybody's included, where everybody's being valued, where everybody's being trained the right skills and strategy to build their business.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello, this is Robin from the Lifestyle Portal. My question is, what are the products or services that Ascendra offers to the market?
Alright, thank you. Actually, the three major offerings that we have, we call it the MVP. The ultimate goal of Ascendra International is to actually make every member the MVP or the star of their life. And for you to become the best MVP, you need to have the mastery, vitality, and protection. So that's actually what our packages, our normal packages are included in, the benefits. MVP. M for mastery, that is the structured learning. V for vitality, because it's very hard to progress if you are not healthy, right? So, and of course, last is P for protection, because we offer financial protection. The first foundation of financial management is you need to make sure that your cash flow is protected. So we offer coverages from our partner insurance companies. So MVP, because in AI, lahat tayo dito MVP na mga buhay natin.
Follow-up question to that, what are the target markets or industries of your company?
Basically, the target market, it's actually dynamic. It's actually diverse. First, the target market number one, yung mga founding partners natin are previously network leaders coming from different companies. In fact, on our mission, it's very clear. Ascendra International is here to serve and and to help grow all the committed dreamers. So as long as you're a dreamer, and you are committed, because it's very easy to become a dreamer, right? But what we need, what we want, and what we need to help are people who are also committed. Mahirap tulungan eh. Yung mga tao ayaw tulungan yung sarili nila. That's why it's very distinct in our mission statement that we want to help grow people who are committed dreamers. So everyone, small and medium enterprise owners, mga sales people or sales team organizations that are having a hard time to scale up, they can actually enroll to Ascendra International to actually enroll sa aming structured learning, Ascend program, educational system. Others naman, they are good in their income, they're good in their business, pero they want to have a longer life, vitality, a healthier, lively life. So we also have an offering for them. And for some business owners, maybe they have a lot of employees, they have a lot of dependents that they want to transfer their risk. Then Ascendra International also is the best offering for them to actually cover their individuals, cover their dependents, so that they can transfer their risk and increase the retention of their people. So that's it.
And one last question in my end. Is this the first time that Ascendra is operating, or it is operating a while ago, but maybe online or in different?
Basically, this is the first time ever. In fact, we are just soft launching, soft operating. It's just that we are also very overwhelmed with the response of all the people, all of the dreamers in the industry. Kaya nakakatuwa, we want to thank, nabanggit ng ating CEO kanina, we want to actually give the full appreciation sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa umpisa. Kasi hindi pa kami actually nagsisimula. We are just soft operational. Ang plano is we'll have our grand launch on January 2026. So from now up to January, it's still our soft opening or soft launching. But as you can see, the response of the people is just that all of the energies are aligned right now with Ascendra International. We always believe energy can never lie. Yeah? Ito yun. Ito yung energy yan. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Sean Boyer. I'm a lifestyle blogger. First of all, congratulations on, of course, taking this up. I know this must have been really hard for you guys, but since you are from different M&M organizations and also entrepreneurs yourselves, what does this entail in order for a single person that's not been involved in any of the businesses that you have, how can they be part of it? And maybe give us like instruction on how to be one. Yeah.
Paano mag-member yung mga hindi?
Yes po, kung hindi po sila
Galing MLM.
yes. On MLM, do you have trainings first or what happens?
Since kami, more than dekada lang kami sa industry ng network marketing, it's very easy for us na turuan yung walang kaalam-alam na matutunan ng business na to. Since we already have the system, ay meron kami regular na mga seminars, tuturuan ka talaga namin from wala kang alam na matuto ka in a very short span of time.
Okay. So first is you have to have undergone a seminar, workshop,
Workshop, seminars, content creation, yan sa likod natin yung seminar room, every dito magagamit, dito na sila mismo matututo. Actually, ang isang pinaka-ina-offer namin, kasi honestly, ang network marketing is nasa sunset industry. Ibig sabihin, medyo palubog mo siya. But because sa ina-offer namin, kaya nasa Ascendra, Ascend into new era, nasa gitna kami na hindi lang kami multi-level na it's all about money. It's more about education, paano yung mga tao matuturuan ng knowledge at skills na kailangan nila sa panahon ngayon. Kasi no offense, may natututunan natin minsan, medyo obsolete siya, hindi nakakasabay sa nangyayari right now sa fast-paced ng mundo. Kaya ang Ascendra, tuturuan ko namin kayo, maging pinakasimple, maging better person, maging maayos na magulang, maging maayos sa tatay, maging maayos sa anak, maging maayos sa karelasyon, yun, maging maayos sa tao, maliban sa pagkikita ng malaki.
Okay. And it doesn't matter what particular educational attainment they have?
Regardless of your background.
Okay. The requirement is just any walk of life, they can just come in and then ask you.
Yes.
Where can they specifically get in touch with you first? Do you have channels ready as of now?
We have fan page, may mga Facebook page na rin kami, or pwede sila mag-walk-in dito, or pinakamaganda, maghanap sila ng distributor ng Ascendra, doon sila kumausap para sila mismo mag-walk.
So you have existing ones already?
Yes.
And they're everywhere in the Philippines?
Yeah, all over the world.
Alright. That's great to know. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I request everyone to lower down your voice po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Hello, this is Cesar from Net 25 News.
receiving the insurance coming from our insurance providers.
And aside from that, how is the other products po and brands? Kasi meron po ba kayong physical products? Like yung mga natural na nakikita po natin sa mga networking company?
Yes, meron po tayo yung supplements natin. Second week of June po, second week of July po mailalabas. And yung supplements po ngayon are Barley Fusion, Best Barley, and Ulema Life. Lahat po yun, scientifically backed. And marami po tayong maganda panibagong page kasi kami po ang first ever network marketing company na nakapagsama ng additive with barley na isa rin po superfood which is seated wheat. Lalabas po yun sa barley fusion natin na produkto.
Sa marketing strategy po, aside from this media po and the promotion campaign po sa social media, may mga gagawin po ba kayong brand ambassador na kalimitan din po ginagawa ng mga network?
So yes, we will have macro and micro. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi lang yung mga sikat na mga vloggers or mga mainstream artists, even yung mga normal na sa baba. Kasi ang gusto namin sa Ascendra, we will be relatable. Hindi kami more on pinaka-highest level ng mga resulta. Gusto namin kahit matouch ang mga ordinary tao na because of Ascendra, nakapagbayad sila ng kuryente, nakabigay sila ng lagdag na bawal sa nila, yun ang itatouch namin. Kaya yung gagamitin namin namang endorser, macro and micro.
And my last question po, how do you ensure that your company will be agile and adaptable to this fast-changing business landscape? Kasi alam naman po natin artificial intelligence na nagawin po.
When you say agile, am I right? Agile. Okay. Well, of course, before we formulated Ascendra, for that matter, based on our experience, research, and everything, we incorporated a lot of structured learning. Naglagay din kami ng component na artificial intelligence. And of course, we've included some values, services, na uniquely dito lang makukuha. So, meron tayong mga strategy na kung tawagin ay Blue Ocean strategy, which are actually new in the market. So, that's one thing that we can assure that sa aming community, that, with all these values that we offer, tatagal at saka talagang magiging napakagandang opportunity ng Ascendra para sa bawat.
Thank you. Thank you. How do you see Ascendra in the next 5 years?
Ako, honestly, nakikita ko si Ascendra International in the next 5 years na marami nang natulungan, marami ng tao yung nagawa nila yung purpose nila in life, maraming tao yung naging better versions ng sarili nila sa pamamaraan. Kasi hindi lang naman po pera yung makukuha ko pag sumali ka po dito sa amin. Ang makukuha ko dito is yung values and yung culture na gusto namin ma-impart sa mga tao na magiging member ng Ascendra. So with that being said, nakikita ko na yung mga magiging parte ng business namin in the next 5 years, yung mga committed dreamers na yun, kinaya nilang mag-commit na makuha ang mga pangarap nila, and komportable po yung buhay nila. Kasama ng mga mahal nila sa buhay and family po nila.
Thank you.
Plans to maintain this vision to para po makabalo ng future na vision na for Ascendra.
Ako, based on my perspective kung paano ko magagawa yung role ko dito sa aming corporation or company, is that open door po kami, wait makinig, yung mga pagkakamali po namin or pagkukulang namin, hindi po kami magkabit para alam namin kung paano po namin i-improve, kung paano namin ma-serve ang aming mga distributors, at kung paano dito, kahit sa office na kalapit lang, maaari po nila kami makausap. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the congratulations.
Salamat.
Ayan, thank you for that wonderful question. No? So, definitely sign up. Kung sign up po, may kita nyo rin around us. There are a lot of founding partners and members of Ascendra International. So the business model is all of our members actually can invite, meron silang mga ID number. And the ID number is what we call sponsor ID. So for you to sign up to Ascendra International, you need to have a sponsor. So you need to get the ID number of that sponsor as your sponsor ID. You just need to go to our landing page and you just need to click join now. And then you can just fill up all of the information, personal information that are required there. At tapos na doon po yan, yung sponsor ID ng inyong sponsor. And from there, you can choose the enrollment package. We have 5 different enrollment package from associate, builder, consultant, director, and executive enrollment package. All of those have different values and different inclusions. And from there inside, yun po may enjoy yung MVP natin, the Mastery, Vitality, and Protection. And then you can just simply go to your payment method and choose the payment method. Currently, as our soft operations, we're still accepting bank deposits and over-the-counter cash. But in the next coming few weeks, we're already ready for the integration of our payment gateways to accept other payments. So yun po. And from there, you can actually be receiving from your email and credential of your username and password so that you can log in to your Ascender portal. Yun po yung members portal natin, where you can monitor the whole of your business, your profit and loss, your AI companion is there, everything about your business, entrepreneurship journey, even the learning hub will be on your Ascender's portal. So you're a certified member already of Ascendra International. So that's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright na? Game na? Meron pa?
One last question for my end. MLM or multi-level marketing is currently fast rising and advanced nowadays. So how is it Ascendra differs from that? And how is that big unique from others MLM?
Okay. Actually marami, but based on our vision, statement ng vision namin, we help committed dreamers achieve their goals by providing them structured learning. When we say structured learning, marami kasi sa industry, pag pumasok sa company, kanya-kanya yung growth nila. What we have here, pag sumama yung distributor, meron na kaming structured learning for them. Modules, meron kaming learning hub, both online and offline. We have reliable tools, kaya kami magagamit ng AI, business analytics, para bigyan ng data yung aming mga distributors on how they will analyze their team. And of course, dependable system. Pag sabing system, kung ano yung gagawin nila, yung strategy nila to build their team, their network. Because as you know, in multi-level marketing, the bigger organization you have, the bigger reward you will get. So most of the time, ang challenge kasi dyan is how to really build, sustain, and at the same time, hit the people. So what makes us unique? We have a structured learning, reliable tools, and dependable system. Ayan.
One last question or follow-up on that. Some people are pessimists to join especially multi-level marketing. So how do you convince them or how do you motivate them to join Ascendra?
Well, for us, no, kahit naman sa industry, merong pessimism. Whether whatever profession or whatever industry, for that matter. For us, it's just a matter of education. People lack information. People are not educated about this industry. And kaya kami gusto namin umingay sa print, with your help, of course, sa social media, digital age na ngayon. It's just a matter of really educating a lot of people. Ang motivation namin sa Ascendra is really build a beautiful garden where butterflies will just come in and fly in. Kasi ayaw na namin yung we keep chasing people. This time, let's build a platform where people will just chase Ascendra. Sila naman ang mag-aatim na sumama sa atin. Ayan.
There will be last question. Will that be it? Alright.
Yes, sir. Well, this is just an additional question. I've seen some of your portfolios. I'm trying to investigate each one of you. Some of you have businesses. This is, of course, a thing that you might bring to the table if ever Ascendra becomes what it is in the future. Do you have plans currently to bring other businesses in so that aside from the products that you are selling, people can have the option to also earn from businesses you put out, or some sort of that? Is that in the near future?
Yeah. Actually, not in the near future. Our business model now in MLM, with our structure, and this is the first in the industry, we encourage our distributors, actually, in terms of their organization, to register their organization with the Securities and Exchange Commission para yun na yung maging legitimate organization nila. Where in the future, they can become supplier of products to their team. So hindi na lang sila kikita sa compensation plan, but they can become manufacturers or suppliers to their own team. That's one. Number two, we like to create an ecosystem sa Ascendra that aside from multi-level marketing, we provide business solution, our another division, para itong business solution na to, ito tumulong sa mga leaders namin, palakihin yung grupo nila, para ito rin yung same business solution tumulong sa kanila sa SEC, sa accounting, compliance, and everything.
Yes.
Same business model, meron din kaming travel agency in the future, para yung mga distributor namin, pag gusto nila umalis, yung travel agency na natin ang gagamit na ng platform. Meron din tayong financial technology, corporate agency. We also have franchising in the future.
Yes.
And just for the information of everyone, this is our office right now. But as early as now, particularly these two people, dinibate ako niyan, kinuha na nila yung 300 square meters dito sa kabila for expansion. Kaya ito na yung susunod natin nire-renovate. Another 300 square meters, open space. Diyan natin ilalagay yung expansion ng Ascendra. Lalo-lalo na yung ibang division. Yan.
Sir, do you currently have numbers of how many people have already participated or joined you guys? And in like the year or maybe next year, what are your forecasts?
All right. Currently, during our pre-operations, we call it pre-operations because we are not yet fully operating, even not on the soft operations. So during our pre-launch, because of the surge nung pagtanggap ng ating mga kasama sa industriya, currently we have pre-encoded, coming from our data, pre-encoded 3,000 members of Ascendra International already. So out of the 3,000 unique links currently right now on our system, we do a one account policy. So one name equivalent to one account only. So technically that's 3,000 unique different people coming from different backgrounds na may iba't ibang skills and talents and iba't ibang experiences that are now gathered together. Some of them are here, yung ating mga founding partners. Magingay ba kayo dyan? And so all of those founding partners actually have their big organizations. Kaya mga grupo na to coming from different companies, different backgrounds. So they brought in here in Ascendra International not only themselves, but their team, the people who believe with them, the people who trust them, kasama nila sa pag-welcome dito sa Ascendra International. So we're looking forward in the next few months, pagdating namin ng grand launching, January 2026, we can multiply that number, the 3,000 to 5 times 5 times 10. Definitely we are all ready. Our tech provider is also being prepared. Welcome yung infrastructure, prepare natin, the operations, the finance, the strategy, and our CEO is all ready to actually welcome yung ating mga members. So we are preparing for that during our soft launch.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Introduce daw to each or ID. For ID daw po nila. Sa video po nila, introduce yourself one by one. Let's start with Miss Francesca.
Yeah.
Just introduce yourself po for their video.
Okay, I'm Jurgen Gonzalez, the current
Chief Executive Officer of Ascendra International. I've been in the industry for the last 30 years, 15 years being a distributor myself, and another 15 years as part of management of my previous company. Thank you.
Alright, next.
Hi, I'm Francesca Friedman. I am the CFO, sorry. I am the CFO of Ascendra International. And ang background ko po is I have been a serial entrepreneur all my life. So, dito po sa in-incorporate namin na entrepreneurial journey, hindi ko masasabi na expert daw ako, pero ang daming beses ko napunta sa low moments ng magnegosyo. And nakaganon din naman po ako ng high sa lahat ng pagnanegosyo ko, yung tipo yung success. Diba? So, dito ang...
Alright. My name is Joseph G. I'm the CSO, Chief Strategist Officer. From the word ng strategy, ang pinakatrabaho ko talaga is paano ko gagawin ng mas madali at mas masaya ang pag-network ng lahat po ng distributor ng Ascendra. Yun lang. Thank you.
Alright. Hi guys, my name is Vigo Inson. I'm the Chief Operations Officer of Ascendra International. So I've been in the industry of multi-level marketing for the past 14 years. I've been a part of the management for the past 14 years, traveling everywhere and operating offices and branches in different countries. Now, ang pinakatrabaho natin sa Ascendra International is to give the value that we actually promise, the value of clarity, the value of structured learning, proper tools, and reliable system for each and everyone. Ang goal is pag pumasok po kayo sa opisina ng Ascendra International is maramdaman ninyo na you are at home at maramdaman ninyo that you are in place para maabot ang inyong mga pangarap. Ako partner nyo sa pag-asensa.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, we would like, on behalf of Ascendra International for video partner, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.